It's immensely changed how I feel about myself. Knowing that I have the condition that I do have, it's to go out in the community, knowing that you have that and having people stare at you and look at you different. Just having the ability to have something that feels like your own hair, the freedom to have your own hair, to be your own person and have your own style, it's absolutely amazing. Bravadas, I mean, they're so comfy and they draw you in and they make you feel so secure about yourself. It's an amazing experience. I've personally brought in my whole family. I've had both my daughters in with me. I've had my mom in with me. It's not just my experience, it's a family experience because they get to be part of who I am too. But they also get to see the products and they value everything that they're taking in, and they're personal shoppers of Bravadas too. If you're somebody who's struggling with maybe, and you're on the fence of going with a wig and you have issues like I do, I want you to know that my hair was less than an inch long when I came to Tracy, and I mean, it was basically like being bald. It was very heart-wrenching to walk into the store not knowing what I was going to walk out with, but when I walked out, it was just such an amazing feeling to be able to be who I was.